Today we are going to make the road. We have this concrete road. The entrance you guys can see this is here. So I'm going to start with this mixed material we get today. That is already mixed. I have a tractor and I'm going to spread with the tractor bucket. I'm by myself, so I will try to do my best to make the good video. You guys can see there is a couple load is there, one load is here. My tractor is ready to go. I'm going to start, so I'll show you how to do this stuff. Just stay with me and I'll do this. So here is the highway is running. The traffic is keep going on. Trying to use the safety cautions. There is the controller in my hand. I'm going to just keep shaking so that the stuff is going to just fall down on the road. There you go. So you can see I just throw this stuff here. Let me make it level. as you can see, I just spread this one with the tractor bucket. It's not yet finalized, but you can see it's looking like really nice. When I will do this finalize, so you will see the small curves there in between, there, that all will be gone, disappear. So I still spread like a half load, so it looks like a really nice work. So stay with me. So you can see it's almost like evening time. So I did finish this part. So you can see that it looks like a really nice one, because I have to just do the second coat. So here is a little bit dust that will be covered. Little bit is here, little bit is here, minor is there, and on this side is almost good. So I have to just do the little bit final coat, then I will call the bulldozer and that will come in and that will press it, and that is going to be a forever asphalt road, and hopefully that will be longer, because the thing is I called the contractor and he said $11,000, so that is just a minor left. I was thinking almost like a 5 load, but I just spread the 1 load here. I still have the 2 loads, so possibility I will spread just only this one. The rest will be stay here for the future, or I will use somewhere else here, because my new home is coming here. I have a 1 home there. My farm is on the back side. So I spent, as I said, the contractor asking me for a lot of money, like $11,000-12,000. So I get paid only for these 3 load $1,500, plus I'm using my own tractor and I make this road, and that you can see that is awesome. It's unbelievable. I will possibly pay like a couple $100 to the bulldozer, and he will press this whole road, and that will be going to stay permanently. I will share my one more experience. I learned tractor while I was like a 15-16 year old. Keep in mind, any experience, any knowledge, any trick, any technique, any expertise you learn, that is not a useless. That time everybody was asking me, hey, you have a lot of education, you have a computer sciences business, master in business, and you are just driving the tractor. So I said that's not your business. So today I'm thinking that was my dad was make the decision about me to drive and learn for the future purpose, and my dad is my teacher for the driving. Thank God, he teach me a lot of things. He is not here, otherwise I can show you, tell you about my dad and everything. So that is the thing. Possibility I will finish that one. So this is almost completed. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for the future. Thanks.